Hello everyone, so today we are gonna make a recipe that I'm 100% sure you have not ever eaten this before. Let's start with the ingredients, but before starting the recipe, please preheat your oven. Pepperoni, green pepper, cheese, corns, chicken cubes, eggs, salt, pepper, flour, milk and butter. First melt the butter. After melting the butter, add flour. After adding the flour, gradually add milk. Do you know milk has calcium and all the essential nutrients which help your teeth to grow stronger? Add salt. Then add pepper. Then add chicken cubes and stir it for a few minutes. Cook it for a few minutes until it becomes creamy and then let it cool for 10 minutes. And then start mixing the batter in the pasta. Now add corns. And then add pepper. Add egg. And then mix all the ingredients together. Now spray the pan with oil. And then add pasta in the pan. Add cubes of cheese and pepperonis on top. Now it's time for baking. Bake it for around 15 minutes. Ooh, now it's turning into yummy muffins.